John 17 verse 23, I in them and you in me, that they may be perfected into one, and that the world may know that you did send me, and I have loved them as you have loved me. And I have loved them as you have loved me. Love is sacrifice. Jesus offered up his life to do the Father's will. We must also allow that same attitude in us by the power of the Holy Spirit. We must allow him to work in us after his own desire, to mold us and shape us without any resistance into translation unto his glorious identity. In so doing, it motivates us to do his will and plan over and above our plan, hopes, and dreams. Galatians 2 verse 20, I have been crucified with Christ, yet I live. Indeed, it is no longer I, but Christ lives in me. For the life that I am now living in the flesh, I live by faith. That very faith in the Son of God, who loved me and gave himself for me. From Jesus' prayer to Paul's declaration unto the Galatians, and from there right up to your heart and generations yet to come, throughout all generations that was, that is, and is yet to come, throughout all the ages, it is proven what power there is in Jesus' prayer for us all.